Otro ngayon, franchise.
Ito, franchise. Oh, takiya mga commentator, sir. Shout out.
Shout out. BYP.
BYP. Takiya mga superstars sa BYP. Na, takiya. De La Cruz, Onchi. Na, open. Noy. Nice pass. Nice pass, break. Maya. The running score, ladies and gentlemen, is red team up by 3 points over the blue team. Kansaw yung mga blue team, di lang mga players. Interview kita kung JJ. Pasal kung dito yun. Grande chance pa na Leos pa? Leos pa luego. It's not over.
Not over.
3 points lang, 3 points. Okay. Cardiac finish te.
Last.
First start del Zamboanga selection na Dumaguete. No. For the free throws. First one is in. Good shooter kalas din na free throw line si Mr. Second one. No, miss. No, recover pa siyempre. Elnas again. Spearheading a comeback by the blue team. Lost the ball. Oy, nice pass. Oy, surbol no? Takay si team captain Mr. Dukay. Kosa dito yung prediction. Ken ka na, blue or red? Blue daw? Ito super sardiaton. Oh, blue gali.
White pati blue.
Oh, blue daw, blue.
Prende ka mundo. Yo.
No. Oh, basic training. Basic. Na. All. The score is tied. Rebound. No. Kaya. Oy, abante ya. Blue. Nice defense. No. What the? No. Defense. Yeah, leading ya. 4 points. Buena el defense araw, buena ya. Nantes, no hay nada.
Sayang. Si Chucha tuh na kalmira to iskapal eh. Walang tao. Sige lang. Walang tao.
Oh, bonito el pass break. Di KF friend. Ito superstar.